welcome back. Oh gosh, I'm so super thrilled and excited to be here. It's just been such a long journey. There was more water coming in. I had to move. I've been all over the east coast of the country, and I've just been waiting for this moment to be back in front of all of you. So I need you to keep me going, like and subscribe. And today I'm actually going to introduce you to our new team. We're an international team worldwide. You know, my health has been, it's a journey. It's still a journey for me to get better a little bit every day. Cellular rejuvenation. My channel is going to be giving you educational tips on what that means, but my personal journey, yeah, it was really a rocky road. Homeless 4 times in 2019, and again, just waiting to be in front of you. So today I'm introducing my clean team, international clean team, to celebrate the Clean Way channel and to welcome all of you to what you do to feel better. And again, I have the whole team behind me to support me, and I want you to get on, click the links anywhere in the video. There's going to be links all over to get on, like and subscribe. I'm actually doing my music now, which is what I said I wanted to do when I got better and I felt well. And again, every day is a struggle, but I'm getting there, and I'm really just so thankful to all of you. So I'm asking you now to get on, like and subscribe. The first 5,000 viewers I told you are going to be free, and we're just going to give out lots of information, and we're just going to keep building from there. So Total Clean Living, The Clean Way with MariLana. Like and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching The Clean Way with MariLana, where you learn clean routines to promote cellular healing. Yeah, MariLana, stay healthy with tips from Mari. Detoxify your body and mind. Cleanse your heart and let your spirit soar. MariLana, now love your body, stay clean and healthy. If you want to know the clean way to live life, just ask MariLana.
I am the raw stumbling MariLana. Music is my heart, music is my soul. But if it wasn't for the clean way, getting me healthy, I wouldn't be able to do it and be out here and be able to share. So please get to my channel.